Understand that if a schedule item has no task or customer associated with it, it represents the job itself. Select the items you want to optimize in the scheduler view. Click Next to proceed to the technician selection screen. Select the technician and set the end time for the optimization. Adjust the available hours as needed by adding or removing time, then click Next. Review the optimized route displayed on the map in the scheduler interface. Verify the route order, including the technician's starting location and company location. Check each schedule item in the list. Tasks and project tasks display their names, while standalone jobs do not show additional text. Click Next to select all schedules and confirm the optimization to complete the process.